Hi, I'm Kristen Ferris with Lake James Electric, and I'm going to show you today how easy it is to start your generator after your gas has been connected. So you'll take the key here and you'll unlock this side, and you'll come and unlock this side as well. And then you just open the top of your generator, and here you have your control panels. You can see that it is switched to off. So what we need to do is we need to put it in manual. So you're going to push manual until it starts. And then you're going to push auto after it has come on. Now you can see here it says ready to run, and you have the green light, which means that your generator will turn on whenever your power goes out. So after you have your generator in auto, you're just going to close the lid back, and you're going to lock the generator, close that up, and it's just that easy. If you have any questions, always feel free to give us a call, 828-443-7181.